Okay, let's look at some more examples of added detail fragments. We're going to identify the fragment and then correct it. So we need to be looking for the added detail words, those signal phrases that suggest to the reader that this group of words is adding detail to another statement. So let's take a look at the examples on the board. The neighbors all agreed to paint their front doors with bright, vibrant colors, like teal and canary yellow. It made the neighborhood unique. So where is the fragment here? Well, our first clue, do we have an added detail word, a signal phrase that indicates we have an added detail? And the answer is yes, we do. The word like. When I see that word, it suggests to me that this could be a fragment. So let's check and see. Like teal and canary yellow. Well, if we isolate that, if I were to just walk up to you and say, like teal and canary yellow, would you know what I was talking about? No, because we have a noun, which could be a topic, it could be a subject, but we don't have any verb, and it's definitely not a complete thought. So the easiest way to correct this fragment is to add it to the sentence that it's adding detail to. And which sentence is that? Well, the teal and canary yellow are examples of bright, vibrant colors. So let's combine these two. I'm going to take out that period. I'm going to replace that with a comma. And now I have turned this into one complete thought, and I have gotten rid of the fragment. Okay, let's take a look at the next example. Yesterday, I read an article on how to get in shape for the summer. For example, which exercises give fast results? Now, do we have an added detail signal phrase here? Yes, we do. We have for example. And this by itself is not a complete sentence. We don't have a subject or a verb. So we need to either we need to add that in, because combining this with the sentence before is not going to work in this instance. So we need to add in the subject and verb that are missing. So what is this adding detail about? What is the subject here? Well, the article is, we're talking about an article. So, and it says that it is discussing how to get in shape. So let's add in, I can't spell today. For example, the article discussed which exercises give fast results. So I did a little bit of rewriting. I added in a subject and verb to make that a complete thought. For example, the article discussed exercises that, I left out a word, didn't I? That give fast results. So now we have corrected that fragment. Now we have a complete thought. In the next video, we will go over the last rule for correcting fragments.